Ngazana na afande. Ngazana na afande.
Musango amulabedde bale tusaabalwanire bamute ayeyogerere kuba hikantuuka amanye ebintu byonna ebiri ku ttaka. Ettaka baalimuwa, ettaka liri alizimbyeko, ekyakwasa daddi wange ensonga za ttaka naye ne bamuteeka ku prohibited robbery. Tusaba bu justice balwanire ettaka lyaffe, tuli bubi, tulwanisa abapoliisi bannamagye.
Ensonga zino zimaze ebbanga ki?
Muzeeyi bamukwata nga 9 January ne bamusindika mu kkooti nga 15 January. Bamuleeta ne Machi nje wennyini ne bagamba Musango tebakuwe babayiro ye tebamusindika ebizira. Naye musajja mukulu mulwadde, alwadde, ndowooza n'okuwona atuuka n'awona. Atolina kyakukola. Naye ku kintu kyatamanyiiko obusibe bulumu. Tusaba justice. Abantu bonna bakoza amateeka mu ngeri yaabwe etali mateeka. Tusaba gavumenti okusobola DPP and Traffic beyond.
Protest, 55 years old, Musango tribe, a police officer attached to Musango police station. They charged with 2 offenses. The first one is destroying evidence, which is contrary to section 98, which is section 89 of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. The particulars of this offense are that you and others are still at large in the month of January this year at Katwe Police Division, in Makinde Division, Kampala District, knowing that an additional statement of Mwonge Andrew would be required in the judicial proceedings, you removed it from the police file, Katwe CRB 3108 of 2024, with the intention to prevent it from being used in evidence. Have you understood that charge? Is it true?
No.
It is not true. The second offense you're charged with is conspiracy to defeat justice, which is contrary to section 90 clause A of the Penal Code Act, Cap 128. The particulars of this offense are that you and others who are still at large in the month of January 2025 at Katwe Police Division, in Makinde Division, Kampala District, you conspired to falsely accuse Richard Sewanonda of the offense of aggravated robbery in Katwe CRB 3108 of 2024 and registered at this court Makinde as AA/02/2025. Have you understood that charge? Is it true?
launch the preliminary investigation by appointment. Preliminary date.
And then the state prays for hearing date. He has a constitutional right to apply for bail for this court consideration.
Yes, Your Worship,
Mm.
we have instructions to apply for bail for the accused.
You can proceed with the application. I want you to be very brief and precise.
Much obliged, Your Worship.
Mhm. Mm.
The accused has 3 sureties before this court. And I pray that the same be presented.
Please go ahead and present them.
Surety number 1 is Adela Kesha.
Adela.
She was municipality of Oxford Street.
Mm.
Osuubula biki?
Poultry. She deals in poultry. Zero seven 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 seven. That's 7 times. 5 times.
Mm.
55.
It is 0.
0 7
Mhm.
7
That's
is 5 times.
Mhm.
55. 85. I think that's it.
Mhm.
That's it, Your Worship. That's for the first shoot. The second shoot is Chibuka Apple. Chibuka Apple. Same, Legiwat,
With Chibuka.
and
Stand straight. Don't be leaning.
yes.
This you tell me you have a challenge with standing, then we can let you have seat. Resident of which place?
Resident of Lugasel, Legiwat, Legi Division, much in the Salvador, municipality, Wachiswell Street. She's aged 51 years.
Wait. What is the...
Is aged 57 years old. He's a police officer also. Yes. At the rank of
Detective AIP to Katwe.
worship, the accused person has been in custody for about 5 days now. The accused person membership is a sick man. was diagnosed on 19th February 2025. Your worship, the accused person is a family man with a wife and school-going children. From Waswa Village, Urban Council, Chibuya. The accused worship is on telephone number
0772 056
56.
81 88 5681 88.
Your worship,
Since his position as a police officer and some of the prostitutes former police officers in the urban interference, we pray that if this court is desirous of granting him, they can also, in the same vein, restrict him from interfering with any of the ongoing investigations or interacting with the investigating officers in this matter. The prosecution to get to the bottom of this case.
Is not something that we can put forward to do that. He's a law-abiding citizen. The senior police officer, he will not interfere with the police investigation. We feel that we will not stand in the way of this old man getting very pushy. So today.
Gives the person the right to apply for bail. He has exercised his right through his lawyers. However, the discretion to grant or deny bail is left to court. This court has to exercise this discretion judiciously, call it fairly and reasonably. The state has no objection to any of the sureties presented. And this court, after perusing their documents and assessing them, I find the three sureties presented substantial. The accused person has presented introduction letter introducing him from the area elsewhere he resides. That means he has a fixed place of abode. The only reservation that the state has is interference with the investigations and state witnesses. First of all, the state has informed court that investigation in this matter is done and prayed for a hearing date. As to interference with the witnesses, the state has not demonstrated the satisfaction of this court how the accused person will be able to interfere with these said witnesses. I want to believe that these are just fears and suspicions being raised by the state. An accused person who pleads not guilty presents substantial sureties who can guarantee his or her attendance of court and has a fixed place of abode. He should ordinarily be admitted on bail unless there are circumstances that should dictate otherwise. I have not seen any of those circumstances in this application. And to that end, the accused person is granted bail on the following conditions. Execute a non-cash bond. The accused person shall execute a non-cash bond of 5 million. Execute a non-cash bond of 5 million. Each of the 3 sureties presented will also execute bond of the same amount, also not cash. The accused person should report back here on 26th of June at 10. 26th of next month at 10 a.m. We are done.
Much of
ngazana na afande